Hello and welcome to the From the Ashes YouTube channel. So what is From the Ashes? Well, it's the name given for me and my film and drone work. So why stick around? Well, this is the space where I'm going to be sharing some of my client work, talking about my gear, sharing my insights from my field of expertise. I also hope to share some of my personal projects and behind the scenes footage. There will also be a playlist dedicated to FPV drone flight, which will most likely be the most exciting part of this channel. So who am I and why should you watch my content? Well, my name is Ash, hence the name of the channel. I have a range of experience in the field of camera operation and have worked on some amazing projects, the most notable being Attenborough and the Giant Sea Monster. I also work closely with the team at Playmotion Visuals and 5 Automotive, producing spectacular work for their clients. I will link their channels below so you can check out their stuff if you like. But anyway, that's enough for now. Check out some of the stuff on the channel, and if it's your jam, give us a like and subscribe and whatnot, and I will see you around.